Hello, my name is Brian O'Donoghue and I'm Principal at Ennis Community College in Gaelcholáiste and Clore. Our school is a participant in the unified admissions process for applications to first year. This process, which has been agreed amongst all second level schools in Ennis, aims to streamline the admissions of students to first year. One advantage of this system is that it removes the need for parents and guardians to make multiple applications to different schools. Instead, a single application form is submitted which allows for applicants to indicate their order of preference of participating schools. So allow me to outline the process. As has always been the case, each school publishes its own admissions policy, and it is this policy that sets out how a school selects students. Our policy is on our website. Parents and guardians complete a single application form for all schools participating in the process. On this form, all participating schools are listed. Applicants place a 1 beside a school of their first preference, 2 beside their next preference, and so on. Once the form is fully complete, it is then submitted to the school of first preference. It is important that this form is submitted before the closing date. After the closing date, each school then applies the selection criteria which they have published in their admissions policy. It then offers places. Where a school is oversubscribed, the applications that do not receive an offer are then forwarded to the school of second preference by an agreed date. Now the process repeats for these applicants. Those that do not receive a second round offer are then forwarded to the school of their third preference, and so on. As well as simplifying the application process, this system aims to ensure that all applicants receive an offer of a school place at second level. Application forms, as well as an information booklet, are available to download from our website. If we can help in any way at all, please do feel free to contact us. Gormail Mágaibh.